right now.
Wait, it's not even.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, it is.
I guess it's downtown Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. We just took a tender to the Marina area and then walked. The shops inside the Marina area are quite expensive, and the shops inside the Marina area wanted $12 for a bottle of bug spray. So once we walked out of the Marina area and downtown into the street area of Cabo San Lucas, into the little stores, they wanted $6 for it. So you're going to pay the premium price if you buy your stuff inside the Marina area as opposed to going downtown. So we stopped at a little local grocery store or market, got ourselves a little drink, and so walking around, we picked up this hat for me so I don't sunburn my head and my face today, because it's about, I don't know, 80 degrees. And my fair Minnesota skin is not used to that. And so we also picked up, some coconut candy for our room steward and a shirt for a friend. Just walking around doing some shopping now, enjoying Cabo San Lucas. I encourage you, if you stop here, to wander out of the Marina area. It's well worth your pocketbook and well worth your time to meet the people and talk to the people and see what there is to see. It's moving on me. This is Iguana that this lovely woman, what's her name? What's your name?
¿Yo?
Yeah.
Dora.
Dora.
Pancho.
Dora put this lovely iguana on my shoulder, and I'm a little freaked out right now. I don't know what he's gonna do to me. But I have confidence that Juan will come to save me if I need help. So Juan is our new friend. Hey Juan, come on over.
Yeah, she's on her own on that one.
So this is Juan. We met Juan in Cabo San Lucas, and he's a local, and he's going to tell us some of the best things about Cabo and what you need to see when you come down.
The most important thing to cut when you come to Cabo San Lucas is to see the arch. That's the number one thing. To get it out of your bucket list. I can't even talk.
That's okay. It's all good. We do that too sometimes when we've had too much to drink.
To be honest with you.
Or when we have a big lizard on our shoulder, or pterodactyl, or whatever this thing is. I'm not sure.
I'm not a local.
Oh, now the truth comes out. This is like Inside Edition. Next up, the real truth about Juan.
I've only been here 6 months in Cabo San Lucas.
Where did you come from before that?
I was in Acapulco, Guerrero, 5 months. From before then, I was in Arkansas, where I was raised.
Arkansas! You're killing me, dude. We thought you were a local. We had no idea.
Hey,
Were you born in the States?
I was not born in the States. I was born in
Are you a
Acapulco
dreamer?
I was a dreamer.
Are you a dreamer?
I am a dreamer, but I was a dreamer with the Obama stuff. Yeah.
For all you DACA people.
Oh, and if my mom sees this, hola mamá, ¿cómo estás? La quiero mucho. I gotta send it to her. Should I say it?
See. So, Juan, what's your last name?
My last name is Diaz.
If you wander down to Cabo San Lucas, be sure to come and look for Juan Diaz.
Juan Diaz.
He can hook you up with some tours, or, and I'm sure the longer he's here, the more information he'll know. And if you're from Arkansas, you'll have a lot to chat about. Sit.
Yeah, but come find me here in Lagasaco, right in front of Tequila Town.
And Dora, if you ever have a desire to have a giant dinosaur on your shoulder, be sure to look for Dora. Dora will hook you up.
Or maybe you made flan, the Mexican dessert flan. You made this. And we have free size. Flan.
Oh, that smells good.
Yes. And many people say similar amaretto.
Amaretto?
Thank you.
Hello from Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. So the ship is just getting ready to leave the port area here. We are doing a 360-degree turn.